Okay, this is a video for number 58 from the practice final, and the question is 175 is what percent of 490? And right away I see that I'm dealing with percents, so I'm going to use my structure of W potty naught to set up the equation. Again, W potty naught stands for what percent of the total is the number of the total or the part of the total. I'm also going to use my strategy of looking at the word of, because I know that the total can be found just to the right of. So my total I know is 490. I'm going to plug that in. And then I don't have a percent. I'm solving for that because it says what percent. So that means 175 is my naught, or my part of the total. So now I'm going to solve this just like an equation. So I have x times 490 equals 175. I can also think of this as 490x equals 175. Either one will work. I'm going to draw my net. In order to get the x by itself, I need to divide by 490. 490 divided by 490 is 1. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 490. So 175 is going to go inside the house. 490 is going to go on the outside. I know that 175 can be divided by 490 0 times. So I'm going to put a decimal, put a little 0 there, a place value. 490 into 1750. I'm going to have to do some guessing at this point. Let's try 490 times 3. I know 4 times 4 would be 16. So let's try 3. I feel like 4 might be too much. 1470. Let's go ahead and try 4 as well. Yeah, 4 is too much. Okay, so we're going to do 3. So 3 times 490 is 1,470. Going to subtract. And is 280 less than 490? Yes, so I can keep going. 2,800 divided by 490. Let's try times 5. Actually, let's try times 6. And I'm just guessing with these numbers. Oh, 6 is too much, so I'll have to do 5. Okay, so it's 2450. 5 times 490 is 2450. Going to subtract. So I get 350, and I'm going to go ahead and go one more place value, and I'll round to the nearest whole percent. So 3,500, try times 7. I know that times 6 is 2940. Yeah, so we'll do times 7, which is 3,430. Okay, and we'll stop there. Now, I'm not done because this tells me that x equals 0.357, and actually keeps on going, but I'm going to stop there. But I still have to change this into a percent. So I'm going to multiply times 100, or move the decimal over 2 places to the right, and I'm going to get 35.7%.